And here you see already for users a lot of capabilities that Sugar is offering in terms of user management, team management, password management, role management, and team-based permissions. So basically, the system is set up in a user and team construct so that a user have access to certain areas of the application, but also to certain data based on ownership. And belonging to a team is also handling the visibility of data to that team. A team can be consisting out of one person, so myself, for example, and or a sales team, for example, like Team West or Team East. And with this combination, I'm able to give access to all kinds of sorts of territory management and also of key account management. And then it's opening up, and you see here all kinds of users. So I can, if I take this off and search for all users, you see there's more. Let's take Olivier. And then I see all the details for his profile. You see here the license types that he is applying for, which is SugarCell, SugarServe, and SugarHint. He's also an administrator for the system so that he's seeing all kinds of things. And if I click on edit, I can also give access to external systems like Twitter, Facebook, to embed them into the system. But more importantly, here in the advanced section, I'm able to define what modules, which are these things on the top of the application, the account or the user is able to access. So for example, if I want to take access away from bugs, for example, I just put this into the hide modules and then it's gone. Yeah. If I then save this, Olivier is not able to see this anymore and have access to it. If we go back, then you see here the different teams. You see here Team West, and you see here all the users that belong to this team. Furthermore, in order to have more capabilities for this topic, you can also go into our studio, which is basically the editor for the UI of the tool. And for example, if we take opportunities as an example, we go into the layout section, and here we look into the record view section, then these are all the fields that are visible to the end user on the screen. When I click on opportunities and select one, then all these fields will be displayed in this order and in this manner.